The following contest is scheduled for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first from Long Island, New York, Williow Nightingale.
There we are. Willow's got a big hug for Big Tom.
That was a great collision moment right there, don't you think?
It certainly was. Got a big smile on Ishii's face.
The very stoic Tomohiro Ishii is still with us.
Big Tom.
Big Tom.
There you go.
And of course, Williow Nightingale. And the conglomeration. We got a big mixed tag match.
0 hour. Nightingale teaming up with Ishii.